Hello, I'm Dylan. I'm studying level 3 electrical at East Sussex College, Hastings. I looked at sort of surrounding colleges like sort of the Bexhill, the Eastbourne campus, and the facilities here just seemed the best in the area. And I mean, we've had people come in like Ofsted and stuff and say that facilities are the best that they've seen. The tutors, the one that we've had for the majority of our time here has been Graham, and he's how many years? He's got loads of years of experience. He's really good. We've recently got another tutor called Andy who's been helping us more with the theory side of things, and he's been good as well. So now they're helpful and like approachable if you've got problems as well. That's good. They sort of push work experience and apprenticeships. There's some boards out by the staff room that have sort of lists of local companies wanting apprentices or just work experience. I mean, anything's good and helps along with the course, and they sort of push it. I always thought, and quite a few people think, it's just going around wiring up sockets and lighting. There's so many, there's sort of power generation, motors, all the overhead cables and everything, sort of transmission. It's such a wide area that you can go into from just completing level 2 and level 3. Anyone that's wanting to do sort of any sort of trade, electrical, plumbing, bricklaying, the facilities are really sort of good at trying to mimic what you'd have in the real world. And all the local areas, I think, is probably the best facilities you could go to.